Every second of every day, our bridges and dams endure immense physical stress. We might think of them as permanent fixtures, but they age, slowly, continuously, and entirely out of sight. For decades, the standard way to track this aging has been sending out human engineers on a fixed calendar schedule to perform visual inspections. They walk the spans, inspect the concrete, and look for surface clues. The problem with this approach is sequence. By the time a crack reaches the surface or a rust stain bleeds through the concrete, the internal deterioration has already been happening for years. The physical damage is already done. Material fatigue begins at a microscopic scale. A steel cable doesn't snap all at once, it frays atom by atom. Our eyes simply aren't built to detect a millimeter of foundation drift or the chemical precursors to rust. Relying solely on periodic visual checks leaves cities blind to the actual state of their infrastructure. The most critical threats to a bridge or a building start completely invisible to the human eye. To see past the concrete, civil engineering now relies on structural health monitoring, or SHM. Instead of waiting for symptoms, SHM continuously measures a structure's physical condition from the inside out. This concrete cross-section shows strain gauges registering microscopic deformations, while tilt meters track foundation shifts. Going deeper into the internal steel, corrosion sensors detect moisture before cracks form. To scale this up, a fiber optic cable runs the entire bridge length, acting as thousands of sensors. For the exterior, drones equipped with cameras and machine vision software automate checks on hard-to-reach areas like towering suspension cables, eliminating the need for expensive scaffolding or lane closures. By weaving these sensors into the concrete, steel, and surrounding airspace, a static object becomes an active, self-reporting system. The structure gains a nervous system, but gathering thousands of data points every minute creates a new problem. Raw bridge telemetry is completely useless if engineers can't interpret it fast enough to act. First, wireless sensor networks eliminate the need to lay miles of expensive copper wire. They instantly beam this massive volume of physical data to centralized analysis software. Then, artificial intelligence takes over. Machine learning models are trained specifically to sift through the noise and recognize the precise digital patterns that precede structural failure. This graph tracks a bridge's dynamic behavior, its natural vibrational frequency measured by accelerometers. When microscopic anomalies begin to repeat in that vibration pattern, the AI instantly flags it. No human inspector standing on the bridge deck could ever feel a vibration shift of a fraction of a millimeter. The AI analyzes the data continuously, acting as an inspector that never sleeps, detecting the mathematical signatures of failure long before the physical structure is compromised. Rendering these invisible forces visible completely changes how we manage aging infrastructure. We no longer have to guess about a structure's actual condition. This leads directly to predictive maintenance. Instead of dispatching repair crews on an arbitrary 5-year schedule, agencies can route limited funding directly to the specific supports and cables that sensors show are in actual distress. And when extreme events happen, like an earthquake or a severe storm hammering a dam, structural health monitoring provides a rapid, life-saving assessment. Authorities immediately know if the structure took critical damage or if it remains safe to use. For high-stakes infrastructure like dams and tunnels, where unseen seepage or ground movement could trigger catastrophic flooding or collapse, continuous monitoring is the safest way to guarantee stability. Civil engineering has moved past treating structures as passive objects waiting to break. Today, our most critical infrastructure actively communicates its exact physical state. Every microflex, temperature shift, and vibration streams directly into a real-time virtual replica known as a digital twin, which is exactly what we will explore in the next episode.